So it's this time of the year again that you're thinking of ways to learn Greek, and we're thinking of ways to help make learning Greek easier. Our LMS is one of these ways, and it is here to make learning fun, easy, and totally flexible. The A1 LMS is designed to facilitate the learning process and provide a comprehensive experience for students who have just started learning the Greek language and want to enhance their experience as a supplement to any lessons they may be attending. In total, there are 40 lessons structured as follows. Explanatory videos. Here you can see our teacher Vasilis giving you all the secrets to the Greek language. These videos include the theoretical part, and you can watch them at your own pace and as many times as needed. You also have the option to take notes to deepen your understanding. Then we have cloze type exercises. These are exercises you can complete in sequence at a time and pace that best suits you. For every mistake you make, the correct answer appears automatically, allowing you to know what's right and what's wrong instantly. Then we have my personal favorite, interactive application games. Their purpose is to reinforce your understanding of language phenomena and make the learning process more enjoyable. This LMS structure tailors your learning experience to your individual needs and helps you make the most of your Greek language journey. The best thing about it, it's quite cheap.